It is an exciting day. Our LEGO Robot Inventor 51515 set has arrived. Let us unbox it. This is the mailing box. Cut the cables that are around it. Inside the mailing box we find the LEGO box that contains our Robot Inventor 51515 set. This is the front. And this is the back that contains pictures of the 5 big robots that we can make with this marvellous set. Let us take a look inside. LEGO says there are 949 components packed in these bags, all shapes and sizes. Some small, and some are bigger. Now, we could undo all of these packages and leave the pieces in a big pile in the bottom of the box, but that'd be difficult to find things. In LEGO Prime, LEGO provided some nice little compartments to put the LEGO pieces in. Perhaps we could do something like that for our set. I went to the hardware store and purchased these boxes which fishermen use. They've got 12 compartments, you can see. They're about 12 inches or 30 centimetres long, roughly. They're about 8 inches, 19 centimetres wide, again approximately. And they're about 2 inches or 5 centimetres deep. I also purchased a larger box. This one's about 14 inches or 35 centimetres long. It's about 10.5 or 27 centimetres wide, and about 3.5 or 9 centimetres deep. And I can put the bigger components in that one. When I take the pieces out of the individual packages, I tend to put them in a bowl. The reason for this is I've had enough experience with LEGO pieces falling off the table and being chased by various animals, end up under the couch or somewhere like that, where they're invisible and just about unobtainable. And so I now put them in a nice bowl like this where they won't escape. And I can then separate them out into roughly individual piles of roughly similar sizes of elements. They won't be exactly the same on that, we don't have enough compartments, but at least if they're roughly the same size and purpose, we've got some hope of finding them. And this is the result after we've sorted them all out into compartments. These are what I've done. You can sort them any way you want. These are just what I thought was convenient based on my experience with other sets, the ones that are similar sizes go together. These are the middle-sized bits that I put together. And again, this is just what I thought of doing. This particular one was where the computer hub, the brick, was at, and they were the other motors, they were the sensors. They're not in the box at the moment, I was building with them. And the big pieces are down the bottom. Most of these won't fit in the middle-sized compartments here. And the nice thing about that is the small compartments fits in the box, doesn't take any extra space. And the big compartments, the big box, when we put on top, it's not a lot more space than the actual LEGO box itself. A bit more, but not much. And so it's a much more organised setup. Works well.